Hey, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change a Linux distro without losing data. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to change a distro that you have installed without losing most of your data, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, always back up your data. Of course, this should be obvious, but backing up your data is going to make the process significantly easier, and if anything goes wrong, you will be able to have it backed up, good to go. So you can use external drives, which is the safest method to copy all of your important files to an external drive. You can use cloud storage, which can make the process convenient, but might not be 100% reliable, and backup tools, such as rsync or VORG backup. Next, another thing that you can consider doing is having a separate /home partition, which makes this ideal. So if you have a separate /home partition, this is going to be the easiest scenario. Your personal files are already going to be isolated from the operating system. So if you have the home partition good to go, then you will have an easier time. During the new distro installation, you will be able to keep the home partition, so you just make sure that you select it and leave it intact, and you don't format it. And then, whenever it is done, the home partition will be transferred over to the new distro. If you don't have a separate home partition, you will need to create one. So boot from a live USB or DVD of your new distro, and you can use a partitioning tool to shrink your current partition and create a new one for /home. Copy your home directory contents to the new partition and then update the necessary files. Then you just have to install the new distro. I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to get this done, but by installing the new distro and making sure that your /home documents are safe, you will be good to go. If anything goes wrong at this point, you will still have the backup to rely on. So this is why the first step should always be the backup. Essentially, the more you can back up, the better. So always try backing up to an external drive, to a cloud storage service, and also using backup tools to ensure that you always have one method available to restore everything. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Linux distro without losing data. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.